Hi guys, our next tutorial mode is preparing a steam handheld steam iron. Let's see what problem we got with this one. Fuse is okay.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Wow, this is a complicated one. Okay, first thing we're gonna try is the heater.
Take a step back.
If this doesn't work, that means it's totally defective. Not to repair and this will replace the heater. Check.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to
That is
be
okay. Thanks.
in the great outdoors,
The
forever free.
switch. If there is a thermal fuse, then that's one also possibility. Let's check the cord. That's okay. Other cord. Okay, second cord is okay. You know, one thing I notice here is that the wire has been choked from this area here. If that is the cause that maybe the water cannot coming out from going to the heater, we will check.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems
Okay guys, I think I had freed the nylon flexi pipe. We will see if this is the cause of the problem because it has been choked from this side here. If that was the purpose or what, or by mistake they reinstalled this. That's why the water doesn't proceed to the heater. Okay, so first this is the one we're gonna check it, and I'll close it again and check it. Okay friend, I have switched on, and I sense that the light is on. That means there is an electricity coming in.
sometimes you need to go and take a step back. the truth of
I will return it back temporarily and I will check if it works.
you and me were meant to be in the great outdoors,
Yeah, it's working,
forever free.
right? See the steam coming out? So
You and me
that means the problem is only a choke
meant to be
flexible hose is going to the heater. That's the only problem. Okay folks, so this is a simple problem. Okay, so I will reassemble it now.
free.
Okay, it's assembled now, and let's try once more. You see the steam? Yeah, you can see the steam coming out. Yeah, nice. That's good.